The things I use in this video are paint, marble paper, paintbrush, and scissors.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a DIY video. I can't stand the way my living room looks because everything's dark colors and I like light colors, like gray. I'm gonna be painting my furniture and adding the marble stickers. So here we go.
Guys, feel free to check out my social media. They will be in the description box, and go ahead and check out my other videos. I have a pallet bed video, and I plan on doing way more DIY videos very soon. Struggling with this stupid marble paper. I hate it. I can't stand it. First have to do it straight and then do the creases, because if you try to do the creases first, you're gonna fail. I hate it. Also guys, you want to take your time, because if you try to rush it, you're gonna be stuck with a bunch of air bubbles and it's gonna be so annoying. And you're just gonna want to rip the paper like I did. So, yeah.
So I didn't realize that I fucking ran out. I only had enough for one table, so I'm gonna have to paint the TV stand, and I'm gonna have to paint the freaking sides of this coffee table. I didn't realize that I only had enough for one coffee table. So okay, so the bottom is really dirty, but it doesn't really matter because nobody's gonna be looking. But the legs are dry and that's how it looks like, and I made a mess over there. And my son's being crazy. But I need to cut off this side. But everything else looks pretty okay. So I cut that off, and now I need to paint this side and the other side. I just realized I have to repaint because when it fell over there, it made this huge mess. So I don't like how it looks, so I need to repaint it. This shelf thing that was given to me like over a year ago. I didn't mind the color at first, but I just didn't like how it looked in my living room. So I love white, I love gray, I love you know, neutral colors like that. And I've had this little tin of paint for like a month now or whatever when I did the pallet bed. So I was like, screw it, I'm just gonna paint all my furniture white. So I'm doing this. I'm probably gonna do my desk, but later. That'll probably be another video because it has pieces on it which would be great for shelves, so like wall shelves. So that'll be another video. But so I'm doing this. I already did the table, and I'm gonna do my TV stand, and I plan on painting I don't know if I'll have enough, probably not, but if I do have enough by the end, I'll probably paint my my dinner table because I don't like that glitter either. It's like a dark, like wood color. I don't like it. So yeah.
Also guys, I forgot to mention that my second part video will be about my couch and maybe another few things, but it will be mainly my couch.
Disassembled. I pulled apart the TV stand and all the cables and everything that were in it. It was all that crap right there. All these cables that I planned to hide, all that garbage. I need to clean it. Yeah. This is what they look like, and now I need to do the actual stand, and all this was in back of TV stand. I went ahead and swept it. Still need to get that corner, but all those cables were just stressing me out. Hey guys, so here's the first coat of paint. It looks hideous, I know, and I was debating if I should have ripped out that cardboard in the back that's black or leave it and paint it white, but I didn't like how it looked. So I ripped it out, and here is the second coat of paint, and it looks way better. Alrighty guys, here are the finished products. So here's a little shelf I was painting earlier. I didn't really care about it looking a little rustic, so that's why it looks like that, and I didn't want to spend all the paint doing so many coats on it. So yeah, and those things that are on there are things that I've already owned. And the next thing, those two little frames are from Walmart. The curtains, the sheer curtains are from Walmart too, and the rod I actually found in the Salvation Army for $3. Here is the table with the marble paper on the top. It doesn't look exactly how I wanted it to, but it doesn't look too bad either. I guess if you look at it from far, it's fine, but as soon as you get close, you'll see a little minor errors, but so far it looks fine. And lastly is the TV stand. I think it came out pretty great for the amount of paint I had. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing it, and please look forward for more.